Welcome back, children. We'll continue with Chapter 4, Fractions, Part 4. In this video, we'll discuss about addition and subtraction of fractions. First, we will see how to add and subtract like fractions. Let us see the rules. Now, to add like fractions, what we will do? We will just add and subtract the numerators, and in like fractions, as you know, the denominators are same. So keep the common denominator same, and then third step, simplify if needed. Now let us see how we do addition and subtraction of like fractions. Now first example is of addition. You can see here a circle divided into 5 equal parts. One part is shaded, so 1 upon 5. Now this circle is divided into 5 equal parts again, and 2 part is shaded, 2 by 5. Now you can see the denominator is same. So you will take the common denominator as 5 and just add the numerator. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So now you can see here also in figure 1 and 2, 3 part is shaded, total out of 5 part. So 3 by 5. So for the like fraction, the process is very easy. You have to just take the common denominator as one denominator 5 and just solve the numerator. Now how we'll subtract? Now this is the first question, 5 by 7 minus 2 by 7. Again 7, 7, you can see the denominator is same. Take common denominator 7 and solve the numerator. 5 minus 2, that is 3. So the answer is 3 by 7. Now the second example, subtract 3 by 8 from 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 will be written first because 7 by 8 is greater. So 7 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Now again 8 is the common denominator. You take 8 together down and just solve the numerator. 7 minus 3, that is equal to 5. So the answer is 5 by 8. Adding and subtracting unlike fractions. Now what are the rules? Step by step we will see. First, find the LCM for doing addition and subtraction of the unlike fractions. Unlike fraction means the denominators are different. So you can see here the example 1 by 3 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 12. All denominators are different. So you have to find the LCM of the denominators, right? So the LCM of denominators is what? 3, 8, 9 and 12. If you find the LCM, it is 72. Now you already know how to find the LCM and HCF. You can find by multiple method or you can find by prime factorization method. Now change his fraction to the like fraction. You are changing to like fraction with denominator as LCM. LCM as the denominator. So you just change like fraction. What you will multiply with 3 to, so you will multiply with 24. So you get 72. So 1 into 24 by 3 into 24. So 24 by 72. 8 you will multiply with 9. 8 nines are 72. So 1 also you will multiply with 9. So 1 into 9 by 8 into 9, 72. 9 you will multiply with 8. So 1 also you will multiply with 8. So 8 by 72 and 12, 6 are 72. So 12 you will multiply with 6. 1 also you will multiply with 6. So 6 by 72. Now you can see the denominators are all same. That means you have changed the unlike fraction to like fractions, right? Now what you will do when you get a like fraction, it's very easy. Just you follow the method of like fraction. You take the common denominator 72 and solve the numerator. So numerator, if you solve 24 plus 9 plus 8 plus 6, you get 47. So now if necessary, reduce the answer to lowest term. Now here you can see the denominator is smaller. When the denominator is small, numerator is smaller. I'm so sorry. When the numerator denominator is smaller, you can just keep the fraction as it is. But if the numerator is greater, then you can change it to mixed fraction also. Now let us see few more examples. Addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Now adding unlike fractions. Now these are unlike fraction, 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 4 by 7. You can see all have different denominators. So let us find the LCM. The LCM of 2, 3 and 7 will be 42. If you find the LCM, you will get 42 as the LCM. That is lowest common multiple. Now you have to make the denominator equal to 42. 2 you will multiply with 21. So 1 also you will multiply with 21. So 1 into 21 by 2 into 21, 21 by 42. Now 3 you will multiply with what to make 42? 3 you will multiply with 14. So 2 also you will multiply with 14, because we know the rule, whatever we do in the numerator, the same thing you will do in the denominator, or whatever you do in the denominator, the same thing you will do in the numerator. So 2 into 14 is 28 and 3 into 14 is 42. Now 7 you have to make 42. 7 6 are 42. So 4 also you will multiply with 6. 4 into 6 also you will multiply. So you get 24. 4 6 are 24 and 7 6 are 42. So 24 by 42. Now you can see these all three have the denominator same, 42, 42 and 42. So you have changed this unlike fractions to like fractions because the denominators are same. Now you just follow the method of like fraction addition. Now you have written 21 by 42 plus 28 by 42 plus 24 by 42. Now the common denominator you will take as common 42 as the denominator, and just add the numerators, 21 plus 28 plus 24. So you get 73. So the answer is 73 by 42. Now subtraction of unlike fractions. Subtract 3 by 8 from 5 by 12. Let us find the LCM of the denominators 8 and 12. So when you take out the LCM by multiple method or by prime factorization method, you will get the LCM to be 24. Now you have to make the denominator 24. How will you make? 8 into 3. So 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 8 3s are 24. And 5 by 12, how will you make? 12 into 2. So 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10 and 12 2s are 24. So 10 by 24. Now subtract, you know that 10 by 24 is greater obviously. So 10 by 24 minus 9 by 24, take the common denominator 24 and just subtract the numerators, 10 minus 9. So 1 upon 24. Now we cannot reduce to lowest term because 1 by 24 is in lowest term, right? So the answer is 1 by 24. Let us see a few more examples. Now here this is an addition question and this is a subtraction question, right? Now there is a rule, children, you should remember that when one number, see in the denominator, when one number is the factor of other or the one number is the multiple of the other. Now here you can see 5 is the factor and 15 is the multiple, right? So the LCM of 5 and 15 will be equal to the bigger number, that is equal to the multiple. So 15 will be the LCM. If you find also, you will find out that 15 is the LCM. So remember, when one number, means if you are taking out the LCM of 3, 4 numbers, if one number is the multiple of the other numbers, right? So the LCM is equal to the multiple, that is the bigger number, right? So LCM of 5 and 15 here will be 15 only when one number is a multiple of the other, right? So now you have to make the denominator equal to 15, the LCM. So here already the first fraction you can see 15. So 7 into 1 by 15 into 1, 7 by 15. Now 5 you will multiply with what? 3. So 1 into 3. We have done it directly here. You can see here 5 into 3. So 1 into 3. So 7 by 15 plus 3 by 15. Now you get a common denominator 15. You take 15 as common and solve the numerator 7 plus 3. So 10 by 15. Now you can see 10 by 15 can be reduced to lowest term because 10 comes in 5's table also and 15 also comes in 5's table. 10 and 5 both comes in 5 tables. So 10 divided by 5 by 15 divided by 5, or you can cancel 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So you get the answer as 2 by 3. Now 2 by 3 cannot be reduced to lowest term. So the answer is 2 by 3. Let us see this example now. This is subtraction. 7 by 8 minus 5 by 16. Again you see here children, 8 and 16. 16 is the multiple of 8 and 8 is the factor of 16. So 16 will be the LCM and the smaller number is the HCM. If you find the highest common factor of 8 and 16, you will get 8. And if you get if you take out the LCM is 16. That is the bigger number when 1 is the multiple. Remember that. Now see here 7 by 8. 8 you have to make to 16. That is LCM. So 8 into 2. So 7 into 2. So 8 2 just 16. 7 2s are 14. And 5 by 16. So 5 by 16 you multiply with 1 because 16 is already there. 16 into 1 is 16. 5 into 1 is 5. So 14 by 16 minus 5 by 16. Now you get a common denominator 16. You take common 16 and just solve the numerator. 14 minus 5, that is equal to 9. Now you can see that this cannot be reduced to lowest term because there is no such number which can divide both the number. This will divide by 3 but this will not divide by 3. This will divide by 4 but this will not divide by 4. So you will keep as it is and you cannot change to mixed fraction also because the numerator is smaller. So this you will keep as it is. So the answer is 9 by 16. One more example, adding like fraction and adding unlike fraction, that is with like denominators and with unlike denominators. Like denominators, it's very easy. 1 by 7 plus 3 by 7. Take the common denominator 7 and add the numerator 1 plus 3. So 4 by 7, this is the answer because 4 numerator is smaller. So you will keep as it is. Right? Now see, adding unlike denominators, 1 by 8 plus 2 by 3. Now you have to make the denominator equal to LCM. Now LCM of 8 and 3 is 24 children, right? If you find out the LCM, you will get 24. So you have to make the denominator 24 or you have to make the denominator same. So to make the denominator same, you have to multiply 8 with 3 to make 24. So 8 3s are 24, 1 3s are 3, so 3 by 24 and 3 you will multiply with 8. So 3 8s are 24, so 2 8s are 16. So 16 by 24. Now you can see the denominator is same. So you take the common denominator 24 and add the numerators. So the numerator 16 plus 3, that is equal to 19. Now you can see there is no such number which will divide both the number because 19 is a prime number, it will divide by 19 only, right? And 19 is smaller than the denominator, the numerator. So you will keep the answer as it is. So the answer is 19 by 24. Thank you children. Hope you have understood. Keep practicing.